Hello everyone out there. Good to see you back. In this recorded episode, we have this number 3840 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 3840. Then draw a vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left. Dividing 3840 by 2, which equals 1920. So 3840 divided by 2 equals 1920. Dividing 1920 by 2, which equals 960. So 1920 divided by 2 equals 960. Dividing 960 by 2, which equals 480. So 960 divided by 2 equals 480. Dividing 480 by 2, which equals 240. So 480 divided by 2 equals 240. Dividing 240 by 2, which equals 120. So 240 divided by 2 equals 120. Dividing 120 by 2, which equals 60. So 120 divided by 2 equals 60. Dividing 60 by 2, which equals 30. So 60 divided by 2 equals 30. Dividing 30 by 2, which equals 15. So 30 divided by 2 equals 15. Dividing 15 by 2, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 15 by 3, which equals 5. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Dividing 5 by 3, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 5 by 5, which equals 1. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 3840 are 2 times 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 3 times 5, which can be written as 2 to the power 8 times 3 times 5. And this were the whole prime factors for this number. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more.